Thank you for choosing Bally Custom Window Treatments. Getting a proper fit and beautiful look is easy. Just follow these simple steps to correctly measure window treatments installed inside the window casing, called an inside mount. Before you start, you'll need 2 items: a sharp pencil and a steel tape measure. Don't use a cloth measuring tape as it could stretch or twist. Then, visit ballyblinds.com for the Bally Measuring Guide, a useful document that will walk you through the measuring process and provide you with detailed information and tips. For example, if covering more than one window in a room, make sure to measure each window as there may be slight variations. Also, be sure to identify each window's location by assigning letters or numbers. We can label the shipping packages, ensuring you install the correct blind or shade on the appropriate window. Use the worksheet to record your measurements and window locations. Before measuring, check the area around the window casing for obstructions such as cranks or handles. If you have an obstruction and it can't be removed, consider installing your window treatment outside the window casing as an outside mount. The first measurement you'll need is the depth of the window casing. Do this to make sure you have enough room to install your blind as an inside mount. Measure depth to the nearest 1/8 inch, and then check your measurement against the window casing minimum depth requirements noted in the Bally Measuring Guide. If the depth of your window casing does not meet the minimum requirements, you will need to install your window treatment as an outside mount. If the depth of your window casing does meet the minimum requirements, you will be able to install your window treatment as either a partially recessed mount or a flush mount style. A flush mount allows the headrail or top of window treatment to be flush with the window casing. With a partially recessed mount, your blind will protrude beyond the window molding. Next, measure the width of the window. Measure to the nearest 1/8 inch in 3 places: top, middle, and bottom. Record each of your measurements on the measuring worksheet. Then circle the narrowest measurement. This will be your width size for ordering your blind. Lastly, measure the height of the window. Measure the window opening from top to bottom in 3 places: left, middle, and right. Again, record all 3 measurements on your worksheet. In this case, however, circle the measurement for the longest height. This ensures a proper fit when the blinds are completely lowered. And that's all there is to measuring a window for an inside mount blind or shade. Remember these key points. Always use a steel tape measure. Take measurements to the nearest 1/8 inch in at least 3 places and double check your measurements. Visit ballyblinds.com for a printable Bally Measuring Guide, which provides window casing minimum depth requirements as well as a worksheet for you to use. One last tip: do not take any size deductions for clearance. We will take the necessary deductions for a perfect fit of your window treatment. Now that you know how to measure for an inside mount, you are ready to make your final window treatment selections to place your order.